Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the Google Chrome DNS cache on your computer. So, while Google Chrome actually has an internal page that you can clear the host cache, I'm going to just show you guys a much simpler way on how to do this, and this is just going to be universal for pretty much all versions of Windows and Google Chrome. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS, exactly as it appears on my screen. So again, ipconfig followed by a space and then /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now that you've finished that, you can just close out of here, restart your device, and that should have cleared your DNS entries in your Chrome browser. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.